Rent Money is the new payment platform offering more payment options for your convenience. With Rent Money, you can now take your cash payments and convert them into a secure ACH electronic transaction, fully integrated with your property management company's information. All you'll need to do is generate your tenant voucher. The first step to generating your voucher is to log onto your tenant portal. From the home screen, click on the My Payments tab at the top of the page and scroll to find the option for Make One-Time Payment. Next, you'll see all of the payment options offered to you, and this screen might vary depending on your property management company's settings, but now including the cash payment option Rent Money. To select this option, click on the bubble to the left and then click Continue. The cash payment screen will now list the current balance to be paid on your ledger. To pay the full balance, simply click on the bubble to the left of the balance line item to select. If your property management company accepts partial payments, you can enter in the partial amount to pay below instead. You will see different verbiage on this screen if partial payments are not allowed, and in that case, only the full balance is allowed to be paid. You will additionally see the bill payment fee line item on this screen in the amount of $3.75. Your payment, whether it's the full balance or a partial payment, will be in that amount plus $3.75. Now, you will click Cash Payment Voucher to print out your specific payment voucher. You can either print or save an electronic copy to your mobile device. The cash payment voucher will include the biller name, your account number, your name, payment amount, bill payment fee, and total payment amount. The account code generated on your voucher is a unique number that will never be changed or duplicated for another tenant, and it is what ties your cash payment to your tenant ledger. Just below the tenant information, the voucher also includes detailed instructions on processing the payment for in-store personnel. You can locate a designated payment location by clicking on Search Payment Centers on the payment screen, and then enter in a zip code. There are over 25,000 participating U.S. retail locations partnering with Check-Free Pay to allow for cash payments. Once at the payment location, simply hand your payment voucher to the employee and tell them you want to pay your Rent Money bill through Check-Free Pay. Depending on the location, you might need to first fill out a form using information from your voucher. The employee will then process your transaction for your payment, along with the $3.75 bill payment fee collected at the time of payment. If the employee has any problems processing the Rent Money transaction, please ensure to contact the store manager for assistance. Once complete, your property management company will immediately see the transaction reflected on your ledger. You will additionally receive a payment receipt from the in-store employee, and upon a future release from Propertyware, can expect a receipt through your email. Now, let's highlight some FAQs to review some of the important information. What do you need to make your Rent Money payment? You will need your voucher and U.S. currency. Additionally, it is important to know the current balance on your ledger from your tenant portal, because the in-store personnel might not have access to that information. What happens if the account number typed in and processed by the in-store personnel is incorrect? If you notice from the receipts that your account number typed in by the employee does not match the number you provided, immediately contact your property management company with your name, account code, and copy of your receipt. How do I find a retail location that partners with Check-Free Pay? Simply go to the payment screen on your portal and click Search Payment Centers. With Rent Money, you now have more payment options and added convenience. Log into your portal today to see the new and exciting addition.